All right, we have question 8. You're going to find the value of x, y, and z. Please notice for question A, you have the arc BCD is equal to 136, okay? All right, so from here, you can actually get the x first. X has to be 90 because if you look, the arc of AC is the arc of the diameter of AC because AC is going through the center. So x has to be 90. Likewise, arc AC from the other end gives you y because y equals to 90 because again AC is the diameter. Both x and y are the inscribed angles of that arc. Okay, once you have that, you can then get angle arc DAB, which is 224, and the reason how you get that is that 136 and you get it from 360. Okay, so 360 minus 136 is 224. Then that is the entire arc. If you have that arc, you get the inscribed angle, which is angle Z, which is 112. The next one, you have a polygon inscribed inside a circle. Okay, so X is opposite to the angle A is opposite to the angle C. Opposite angles here are going to be supplementary. So X is equal to 80, Y is equal to 78, because again, opposite angles are supplementary when a polygon is circumscribed inside a circle. To get Z, BCD is what A produces. So if X is 80, BCD is 160 because that arc is the arc for the inscribed angle of angle A. Angle C, question C, right? For Y to be both congruent here, they both have to be 90 because opposite angles here are supplementary. Same thing for the X, opposite angles are supplementary when opposite angles for when a polygon is circumscribed inside a circle. Okay, ABC, where's ABC? ABC is opposite to is the arc for the inscribed angle of that's 90, which is Y, so it's 180 is the arc, which is Z.